look at that. Dirt stains and everything. Oh my gosh, I could see I wear the shoes. What's good, y'all? You just washed up in the game show, and today we have a very special unboxing slash new concept, and I'll explain it here just for the future viewers. But these are a new episode of Hype Unboxings, but they are the beater edition, which means they are shoes that have worn, but obviously they still bring that fire, that bring that aesthetic, and everything else that comes with fire shoes here. So this is the first episode of the subdivision of Hype Unboxing called Beaters, right? So, or the Beater series, whichever one you want. So today we have a very special unboxing in regards to the value that these shoes bring, not only financially but emotionally and things like that. I copped these shoes during RA training last year, 2 years ago. Yeah, last year. I was with my boy Kyle. Shout out my boy Kyle. And I got these EA. Obviously, it was one of the most happiest times. I copped some shoes on sneakers. Definitely blessed me. But now they have even more value with the passing of, Virgil, RIP. So yeah, let's get into it. As y'all can see, these are one of the lots of 50. I believe these are lot 11 if I remember correctly. As y'all could see around the box, it's very unique in regards to off-white boxes and just boxes in general with the holes that are sheet through, as well as the date of the things, which is fall season of 21 if I remember correctly, and I don't know these numbers. And we also have the code right here, as well as the tag, noise never fake, never, 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 as well as the water bubble, that's what I call it, but it's something, see-through thing. And we have the way or the lot that it clicked, which is number 11. So, once we get into the box, which I will get rid of, obviously, because these are beaters, and, we don't care about the boxes, we see the off-white lot 11s. Oh my gosh, these are some beauties. As y'all could tell, look at that. Dirt stains and everything. Oh my gosh, I could see I wear the shoes. But, we'll get into this shoe later. But this is the left shoe, as y'all could see. We have the hang tag right here. Lot 11, off-white. Shout out Virgil. As well as that oh, actually, they don't have the detail. Never saw that. But, yes, we have the zip tie. Then we have the shoelaces. Where, obviously it's showing the shoelaces. Then we have the fabrication tag right here, made in Vietnam, as well as the orange cargo slash stretchy shoelaces here. Then we have the blue tag, obviously iconic. Then we have the same thing that we had in the box, which is the fall season 2021 engraved in silver. And then we have the 11 out of 50 tag right here to indicate obviously which colorway it is. And once we get into the shoe, as well as, the Nike Overton, never, 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 don't forget where it originated. But we have a very distinct shoe where this is like a type of fur slash, I don't know what to call it, but it's just fur type of material here, and where it's all gray, and then the white parts are actually leather. Very plush, amazing, way better than normal Dunks, as y'all could see. But I do know that in other colorways it's actually flipped, where this is all plastic and inside it's actually mesh, if y'all could imagine that or see photos on StockX. So that's very interesting. But in regards to this pair, I think this pair holds a lot of sentimental values, I explained, but it adds a uniqueness. And if you could pull it off, obviously kudos to you. I've been able to pull it off, I would think, obviously, but, people just say good shoes, not good outfits, so, I try where I can, but, with the exposed foam and stuff, you do need to be careful in regards to, fungus and everything, so definitely don't try to wear these shoes outside, at least not for a long period of time. If you need, if you get caught lacking and, it's drizzling, you better run your way to the bus or something, you know what I'm saying, but if it's just there walking during the rain, sad boy hours, definitely not the way you want to wear these, or definitely not the day to wear these. So, yeah, in the insole, we do have the off-white face for the new upcoming off-whites that we usually have right here, if y'all could catch that. But, yeah, this left shoe has definitely seen better days, but, it's definitely made my days better. Bars. No, I'm just playing. Then we go into the left shoe. Obviously, it still has the same aesthetics as the right one. And, you know, I just showed this shoe just because it has less things, so y'all could see the whole shoe as the entire thing instead of, you know, all these things blocking it, i.e. the hang tag and things like that. But I digress. The shoelaces, just basic white shoelaces, and the orange, which obviously make the shoe pop, with the black Nike back heel, as well as the, like, not, yeah, I would say it's a little type of off-white type of midsole. But yeah, I mean, other than that, these shoes are amazing. Obviously, they get worse as you wear them more, so I definitely choose or pick and choose which days to wear them and which days to, you know, just leave them in the box until they see their next day, right? But other than that, yeah, I mean, these shoes definitely hold a special place in my sneaker collection, to say the very least. But yeah, it's one of those miracle wins that you get. So I'll definitely enjoy it while it lasts. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, peace.